What's up, guys? I'm back with another one, this time from Nadula Hair. They sent me this headband, charm bracelet, and of course some wig caps because we always need wig caps. This is the hair. It is 22 inches, 180% density, and it is body wave textured. This is the inside of the wig. It's a 5x5 lace closure unit with combs around the perimeter, and it also has adjustable straps on the side. Take a look at that HG lace. I also plucked the unit off camera. It does not come pre-plucked. I did that, off camera though, to save some time, and I did also bleach the knots too. This is what the hairline was looking like. After I plucked it, I wanted to give y'all a clearer view, and so after that, then I began to work on the hair. So I'm doing a middle part, and I'm doing that on my mannequin head before I put it on because it's just so much easier to do most of your styling on the wig instead of trying to do it on your head. Your arms be hurting. It's so annoying. And then I wanted to set my part in place and flatten the hair down, so I'm using my hot comb to do that. After going over it a few times with some heat, I went over it a last time with my wax stick. This is from the Don't Touch My Hair collection. And I went over it again with the hot comb, and that got the hair laying nice and flat. So y'all have seen me do this a million times. I am adding some wand curls throughout the hair. If you've seen me do this before, you already know how I do it. If you don't know, I'll just run through it real quick. Usually I like to curl with the hair flat to the wand to give me like curling iron type curls. Put a little hairspray on it if the hair is not really textured all like that for some hold. And I like to curl in opposite directions in the back for fullness. Also, just to note, the bigger the section you curl, the bigger the curl and the looser the curl is going to be. So if you want tighter, long-lasting curls, go with medium to smaller sections. If you want like a loose, kind of just loose wavy curl, then go with bigger sections. All right, let's get this wig on. I just love closures because they're so simple and easy. You can get that frontal appeal without all the frontal work. This is what this hair is looking like on the hairline with the pluck job I did. And also just look at how that HG lace is just pretty much, you can't even look at it because it don't exist for the most part. If I didn't have extra lace coming off my forehead, you really couldn't tell it was there. Like, I just love HD lace on human hair units. It can get a little tricky on synthetic units, but on human hair units, that is the lace to go. It's worth paying the little extra to get HD lace instead of having regular lace if you really like that super straight scalp, can't tell in person meltdown. I'm installing using my hair glue gel from the Don't Touch My Hairline yet again. They sent me a bunch of products, so that's really what I've been using for a lot of things right now. But I really like this gel because it gives me like the clear gel look, but it's really got a nice hold to it. It's nice and like, it gets nice and tacky, holds my wig down. Like, even as I'm talking to you right now, it's been like 2 days and my wig is still on at this moment. You could just use gel or hairspray if you wanted to. I like to combine the two together when I want a really nice like 2-day hold or something like that. Like, I want that wig secured down. Then I'll go ahead and use both glue and gel. But you could use either one alone if you wanted to. That can of Got to Be right there, you guys, is giving me a run for my money. It's just about gone. This is the last install I got out of this product. Listen, y'all, it was a struggle. Gonna pull out that elastic band so we can get the ultra lace meltdown. I just love using an elastic band to melt down that lace. It does such a good job. So then I start working on curling the front of the hair. If you don't know, now you know. Curl away from the face unless you mean to curl towards your face. But usually everybody means to curl away from the face so you can frame your face. And this is where I completely ran out of hairspray. So we struggling without it for the rest of this hairstyle. I'm gonna make it work though. You'll see at the end. But yeah, I ran out of hairspray and I was like, dang it. Now that the hair is all curled and styled, I'm cutting off this lace. And I'm just cutting, jagged like I always do. If you haven't been to the channel before, I always cut jagged when I'm cutting off my lace because that's going to give you a more natural hairline where the lace meets your skin. And then I'm taking my clear gel again and I am pressing that back down you know, where I was near cutting it off and all that, so it'll still blend. Now I'm gonna add a little bit of baby hair. This is obviously optional because you can totally just go straight scalp, straight hairline with this, but I just been really into adding the little two sides of baby hair lately, so I'm doing that again. And I'm just using a little bit of my Ebon Edge Control to lay down the sides. It was actually really easy to do this. Most of the time I struggle with baby hair, but not this time or the last time I did it. I'm getting good. So while I was doing the baby hair, I was giving my curls time to settle in place without me just finger combing them up front. Usually I would do that right after if I had hairspray in it, but since I don't have hairspray in the fronts, I just let it sit for a while I was doing other things so it could have still a nice, decent hold, and it'll take a little bit longer to fall since I left it in the tight curl. So I'm just playing around with it. That's all you gotta do, finger comb. I decided to go ahead and add some layers so I could get some movement. I love adding layers because when it's all just, you know, one bend, one sound, it all kind of moves together, and I like a little bit of layerage and for everybody to do their own thing. And by everybody, apparently I mean the hair strands. They're their own person. They got their own mind. They do what they want. They don't listen to me. But y'all, I'm really feeling this hair. There were not a whole bunch of flyaways in it for me to tame at all. I don't know if I just handled that at the beginning with my wax stick, but either way, it wasn't giving me no issues with that. Even to this day, as I'm talking to you guys right now, again, it's been a couple days of me wearing this wig. It's been minimal tangling and shedding. And like I've slept in this wig and everything, and it's just still bomb. So I just added a little bit of concealer into my part and blend it out. And this is the final result, you guys. Like, you see how bomb this wig looks? That's how I look right now as I'm talking to you. And it's been days. Like, this hair is some good hair. It's a nice switch up if you want a closure. You're a little intimidated by frontals, but you want something like, you know, a little more upscale than maybe just a lace part. This is what you want right here. So if you're interested, all the details will be down in the description box below. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you in my next one. Bye.